Hey, alright guys, so this is a quick video on contributing to stock sites. So exactly 1 year ago I joined a few sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, more as an experiment to see if I could earn some extra money uploading footage, video footage and photos and vectors to different stock sites. And of course, you guys want to know what I made in a year. Well, when you sign up to sites like Shutterstock, you aren't allowed to share actual numbers. But what I can say is that what I make off of all of these stock sites in 1 year is less than I would make as a freelancer designing stuff for 1 hour. So it's not a whole lot. But in this video, and I want to keep it short, I just want to give a few tips and tricks for those of you who are thinking about starting uploading stuff to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, Pond5, and all of those other stock sites. So let's get into it. So the first tip I want to give you guys is make a plan. I see a lot of people who start an account and just upload all of the crap they have on their iPhone and just see if it gets accepted. But if it does get accepted, it doesn't mean it's a good image and it doesn't mean people want to buy it. I mean, before I started uploading stuff to Shutterstock, I was a buyer myself. As a graphic designer, I was always looking for nice photos for a brochure or for a video, and if I would find a nice picture, I would always check out that person's portfolio to see if they had more interesting images. So you don't want to spend time going through a portfolio with only crappy images or videos. And in addition to that, I think it's also a good idea to stick to a few categories. I see people that go all over the place with their portfolio. They have images of the flowers in their backyards. They have images of their friends. They have drone images. They have vector images in all kinds of styles. I don't know, from abstract stuff to very crazy kitsch-like images. I think it's good to stick to a certain style and stick to a few categories. So for example, pick drone images, lifestyle and sports. Another thing I'd like to share is that it's a good idea to always upload your stuff to different stock sites at once. So don't wait uploading stuff to a different stock site. Do it at the same time. For example, when you upload to Shutterstock, create a nice title, add some keywords, and when you're finished, copy these keywords, copy the title, and upload it to Adobe Stock. It's pretty similar, so that doesn't take up a lot of time. Now, another small tip is that if you're using a camera that can shoot stills and videos, I suggest you always take a photo and always take a video of the same subject as well. Why? Well, you probably know that you only get around 10 cents on some of these sites, and if you sell a video, you can get a few bucks. So why not take that video as well? It doesn't take up a lot more time, but it can really increase your income. So always make that photo and the video. Of course, I also have to answer the question if it's worth your time to upload to stock sites. Of course, this also depends in which country you're living, because for somebody in Europe or the US, 10 cents seems like nothing, but maybe if you're in a different country, it can still add up and still be a nice income for you. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And another thing to keep in mind is that it depends if you're using B-roll or leftover footage from a commercial shoot you already did, or if you're going out to shoot specifically for Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. because if you're going out to shoot for these stock sites, it of course takes up a lot more time. You have your expensive camera, you have to get out there, you have to shoot stuff, you come back, you have to edit them, you have to upload them, you have to add keywords. This takes a lot of time, and then if you only get rewarded with 10 cents, that's not a lot of money. But what I do is when I go out for a commercial shoot, I already get paid for the day, I get paid for my equipment, and then I just spend an extra 15 or 30 minutes to shoot some extra stuff for these stock sites. So then I can just use some B-roll or leftover stuff for these stock sites, and it doesn't take up a lot of time. And then it's just nice when you have some free time on your hands to just upload it, add keywords, and see what it will do. And I think that's the best way to approach it. Don't waste your time creating stuff for stock sites, but use leftover stuff from your commercial work. So finally, am I gonna continue uploading to these stock sites? The answer is probably yes. When I have some free time on my hands, like I just said, I will upload leftover footage from commercial work, but I'm not gonna put in as much time as I did when I just started. I was really excited for it, but the reward is just too small. If I was, for example, getting $1 or $2 per photo, I would definitely put in a lot more time, but 10 cents, come on man, that's actually ridiculous. But yeah, I hope some of these tips were useful. If you're thinking about starting uploading to stock sites this year or in 2022, please let me know. And if you have some questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Good luck.